I'm heading out to a job right now that is, I was there like a month or two ago. I did a battery, but he said the roller's off now. So I'm gonna head over there and see what's going on. So see, they keep calling you. You go out there once, you go out there twice, you go out there for every little thing. When anything goes wrong with their door, they call you. So once you build up a group of people that are calling you all the time, you put your sticker up, you build your own little business. You don't even have to advertise down the road. So that's why I try to tell you, some of you people are building all these new areas, these new developments. If you're the first guy in there and you start putting your sticker on the wall, right by the wall button, anyone who moves into that house, even after they move out, will call you, and they'll call you for years. 20 years from now, they'll be calling you. So you're like a valuable person to them that they want to make sure they have your number at all times. They like having your number there. That's important. That's one of our advertising things we tell you must do. It'll last forever. So anyway, we'll see when I get there. I will get on again when I pull up. Thanks.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I see one of the wheels.
Yeah, I see it. I see it. I see it here.
See, I don't think I hit it, but I might have backed the car into it at one point.
Yeah,
this is off.
Yeah. This roller's bigger. I mean, you can't get out of this thing. You have to actually bend the track to get it out.
I don't know how it did that.
Yeah, you can't pull them out straight like that, and that's the only way it can go when it's in the roller there. It doesn't have any bend to it. So, what did I do here last? Did I change the battery,
we
right?
Had the battery.
Yeah, that's what I have on my old note. It was on October 1st.
Yeah.
Have you had the door serviced at all?
Yeah, that's what you did. You did the routine service and the battery.
Okay. But this here, you said you hit it with the car?
I don't know if I did, but I might have. This is the car that I use.
Yeah.
But
do you have any mark on your car?
Out. Is there no way to get that back in?
No, I can get it in, of course. I'd rather know if it's an issue where it's going to pop out again.
Yeah, that it never did that before.
It can't really get out.
Yeah. I don't know how it did it.
Let me see.
I don't see an interior break over here. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then when I roll it down, it stops.
Well, I'm doing it by hand. I don't want to do it with the opener. But this can't go in there. It's too big for and to come out, it's even harder. So
yeah, I don't know how I did it then.
Yeah, we have to actually bend the track to get it in.
See, because I noticed, see this over here? It looks like it's probably been doing it for some time, I would anticipate. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because I noticed that out there.
Yeah, it doesn't look like anyone's ever put it back in. Like right here, there's a little bit of a thing, but sometimes they're just that way when you get them new. That's not something where someone worked on it. Usually when you put them back in, when you bend them and put them back and you hammer it back, you could tell it's been worked on, but that's not it. That's sometimes new, they're like that. So
that's the only thing that I noticed about the door.
Here, I could have had to reset the cable, so I'll reset cable 389. Is that right?
Okay. 389.
Straighten track. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, this is what I just got. 389, and I just basically straightened the track and did a few little minor adjustments. And that's that. So you seen just now, that took me about 20 minutes. I think he was embarrassed to say that he hit the bottom panel with his car when he had scrapes on his car. His little mishap put almost $400 in my pocket in 20 minutes. He was happy. Gave me a check for $389. Now I am driving away, gonna go get something good to eat. So all you gotta do is get in this business and you'll find out that you're a very valuable asset to people. Get out there, because there's a lot of people taking our course and a lot of people are realizing how much money they're making. And don't think there's no room for you, because there's a whole planet out there and there's so many doors. There's not enough door technicians. And don't feel like I'm late to the party. You're not. I'm telling you, if you get involved with this and you start doing garage doors and start talking and bleeding garage doors, people will be begging you to come out and fix their door, and you'll be wanting to go out because you'll know how to do it and you'll know how to make the money doing it. Right now, you can't picture it, but people are who they are when they become it, not before they become it. So you just become a garage door technician and this money will come to you. Every day I go out and I make this kind of money. You put yourself there, they call you, you go make the money. You just got to learn it. can teach you how to do it. All you got to do is go to www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.